I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally and generate rewards. Today we're going to talk about the power of presence. As a public speaker, I prepare myself mentally prior to going on stage. I know that when I step on that stage, whether it is a small space or a large space, it belongs to me, and I command the energy within that space. I make sure that when I step on that stage, I take the time to pause, to look at my audience, to see if there's any friendly faces in each section of the audience, and then I deliver. Taking the time to build your presence, to command the stage, from the moment you step near the stage to stepping on the stage and picking up that mic, determines the energy that you bring. And people sense that energy. When you smile at your audience, as soon as you step on there, they know that they're about to hear something that is going to add value to them. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally and generate rewards. Remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you are meant to be. Until next time, bye now.